Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best bulb planters that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Garden Weasel 91350 bulb planter, 40 inches long. As a long-handled bulb planter, it is easy to use. It can be used similarly as a shovel by holding onto the handle and then make sure that the foot is on the footplate. Following the above steps, you will need to push the blade to the ground, twist and then finally removed. After moving from one bulb to another, the core comes out by itself. You do not need to assemble it as it comes ready to use from the box. It has a high-quality carbon steel construction for durability. Other features include a T-bar grip for superior leverage, extra-wide non-slip footplate, sharp blade and pointed tip. Plus the tool is weather and rust resistant, which means it can be used in all conditions. Moving on, at number 4, we have Eschered design bulb planter. Compared to the other tools, this bulb planter is designed that it can bypass any barriers hidden in the ground. This means that you will be saving both time and energy in this manner. The tool has a T-grip that makes turning and holding it on a lot more easier. The strap with the tool allows us to store it effectively when it is not put into use. At number 3, we have Flexrake LRB 120 adjustable hinged bulb planter. It is a USA-made high-end tool that makes sewing bulbs the least dreary task. Designed with a hinged soil opening so that the soil can be released easily. This Garden Series chrome-plated bulb planter features hinged soil opening to release soil with ease, a molded poly grip and convenient depth marker on both sides to aid in all bulb planting. At number 2, we have Doit Professional Bulb Planter. This is a Dutch company that does not compromise with the quality of its products. Its gardening tools have a conventional design with thick welded joints and wooden handles, so that the plating process is easy. This tool is made up of chrome-plated steel, which makes it very sturdy. The poly handles make sure you have a good grip and maximum comfort when gardening. This is good for planting both bulbs and flowers alike. This digs deep enough to make sure you have uniform holes. And finally, at number 1, Dibble bar with steel longhand gardening bulb planter. The uniqueness of this planter than the rest is that it is manufactured in a reputable firm that is well known in the US for its farm and gardening tools. It has a strong steel body, which means it is sturdy. The tool can last for over a year or so depending on how it is used. The bulb planter is designed with a T-style handle that is very flexible to handle. It can plant up to 12 inches deep, which is not possible with many bulb planters of similar configuration. This tool comes with a limited lifetime guarantee from the manufacturer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.